name is Matthew Valliere. I'm Chief Executive Officer of CareSouth Medical and Dental. CareSouth is a local healthcare system in the Baton Rouge area, and we service patients providing the medical care, dental care, and behavioral health services. My career started at the Department of Health and Hospitals about 20 years ago, and I matriculated into this role about 5.5 years ago. I'm a graduate of Southern University with a master's in public administration, healthcare concentration. This path was not one that I thought I'd be on throughout my career in my earlier days. I would say to kids, find a mentor. I have a lot of mentors who work in this profession, who I spoke with, talked to, and kind of guided me along the way. And I still talk to those individuals today. On a day-to-day basis, the major thing is to increase access for services for the people of the Baton Rouge area, and that's in regards to medical, dental, behavioral health care. So the job titles that I oversee in this organization goes from physicians to nurse practitioners to dentists, dental hygienists, medical assistants, billing specialists, chief financial officer, marketing director, pretty much you name it. One thing we pride ourselves in is trying to find different ways to expand our services to more individuals. Just today, I was out looking for another building for us to expand some behavioral health services in the Zachary area. The major goal for me is to increase access to services and healthcare services for those in the area, because I feel that healthcare is a fundamental right that everybody should receive. And at CareSouth, we'll treat you regardless of your ability to pay. So anybody that comes in will get service. So that's one thing I really love about this job. A major aspect of the job is not only making sure that our patients are cared for and receive services in a safe, clean environment, but also the employees. We have 150 staff, so I want to make sure that those staff are taken care of not only financially, but also physically and mentally. So we do a lot of employee wellness programs, and we want to make sure they have as much fun on the job as they can because they're here for most of their day. The keys to success for your career, the first thing is ensuring that you do well in school, finding a mentor. If you have a major that you want to go to, find someone in that profession and go and talk to that individual. I think a lot of individuals want to share their story with the younger generation. So if you have a career, whether it's in healthcare, engineering, anything, find somebody that's doing that job and just ask them how did they get there. They'll be more than happy to allow you to share in their story and some things about their career and how you can be on that same path if there's something you really would like to do. Choosing a career, you should go with something that you're passionate about. I know a lot of kids talk about the NBA, the NFL, but after you make all that money, you have to know how to use the money and to keep the money. So look at something in a financial aspect. If you want to do healthcare, a doctor, anything that you're passionate about, that's what you should matriculate into as far as a career. Also, even in this job that I'm currently in, this was not a job that I was looking for or even applied for. People saw what I was doing in my previous job and actually asked me to interview for the job. So in anything you're doing, always walk in excellence and do your best, because you never know who's watching or looking at what you're doing that'll open up another door or opportunity for you. The best part of my job is seeing the satisfaction of a patient's face when they leave and getting a call from a patient saying, how well received they were in coming to the clinic, how the staff treated them so well, and just knowing that we're being a benefit to the community. And there are no worst parts of this job. It's very fulfilling. I enjoy every minute of it because it continues to challenge me each day.